Most Flutter apps look basic, but in this video, we are building a Flutter app with clean, modern, production level UI using a Claude design and a Claude code. From stunning screens to a faster development, this is how AI powered Flutter development looks in 2026. Everyone is talking about AI apps right now, but very few people actually know how to build them. So I created a complete Flutter course. You will learn how to build a real AI powered mobile apps step by step by using Flutter and Firebase. This is just not a basic tutorial. Inside the course, you will build a real projects, integrate APIs, work with authentication, database, AI features, CRUD operations, and all explained in a simple, beginner friendly way. If you want to stop watching random tutorials and finally start building a professional app, this course will help you to do that. This course is live on Udemy right now. The link is in the description. So on our today's video, we are going to create a AI workout generator app, and we are going to use a Claude design and a Claude code to create this complete app. So this is the design that has been created by a Claude itself. I didn't use my 10% of brain to create this app. Okay, so this is the design, and you can see that the app name has also been suggested by a Claude, which is like an fit force, and the logo, and this is the start journey button. As you can see, now this is the home page where we are going to pass a fitness goal like a home workout, muscle gain, or a weight loss. I'm going to click the muscle gain. The experience level will be like beginner, and then a workout days will be up to 3. Now we'll click to this generate workout button, and the Claude AI will just give a complete workout for the 3 days that we have selected. Now we'll click to this button, and you can see that the Claude AI is writing our plan. So we are going to just see that a day 1 plan, day 2 plan, all the plan has been written by Claude, and this is a day 3 plan. Okay, so now you can see that once the Claude has wrote a complete plan, they have just changed the UI automatically, something to this, just to make the user engagement really high. Okay, now this is the upper body foundation, a lower body power, full body strength, and then the lower body power. They have just passed a number of repetition sets and the rest that you need to take. Okay, a complete workout plan for, and the workout will be like up to 45 to 60 minutes. It is for the beginner that we have selected. Now this is the complete app, as I've told you, will be created by Claude. We didn't going to use a 10% of brain to create this app. So without any delay, let's get started. I told you that first I am going to use a Claude to tell the Claude to design my complete app. Then I will use a Claude code to make this app, right? Now I'm not going to just code or design anything from my side. I will just use a AI to see that what the AI will design the app, because if you have followed my channel, then you already know that I have designed the app many times by my choice. Now this is an AI turn, and let's see what the AI built for us. Okay, so now we'll just move to the official website of Claude.ai, and then I need to just pass a prompt over here. I've explained you about a prompt many times, but I will give you a quick view like what really the prompt is. Now as I've told you that if you want to get a perfect result from a Claude, you need to pass a perfect prompt. Without passing a perfect prompt, you can't get a perfect result. So I need to just pass a perfect prompt, and I've just used a version Sonnet, which is like very budget friendly and useful for the development of the app. Okay, now I'm going to just pass a prompt over here, and I'll just say that I want to create a AI workout generator app. Okay, generator app. So the first screen will be a welcome screen. Okay, so create a simple modern UI with the app logo also generate, also use some engaging text and the start button. Okay, now this is what that I have passed. Now I'm going to just pass something advanced, like i need a I need a minimal glass morphism Now this is the advanced design that I'm trying to tell a AI to just design that page by using a glass morphism, right? I need a minimal I need a minimal glass morphism design. So first create the design. So first create the image for it. Okay. So let's see what the Claude will do over here. Okay. Now I'm going to send this, and it's going to just prepare the image for us, reading the front end design skills. Okay. Claude is just reading the front end design skill. Let's see what skill he has. Okay. Creating a glass morphism layer. Okay. Polishing the welcome screen. Warming up the design muscles. Okay. Crafting the glass morphism layer. So here the design is polishing the welcome screen. Let's see. Okay, wow, this is the design. Okay, so here you can see that it also keep the app name like FitForge AI, your personal AI training partner. Train smarter, recover better, push further. AI crafted workout that evolve you, adaptive, personalized, and smart. Okay, so you can see that it also creates some like glass morphism design that I have asked for, and it also created like glass morphism card, as you can see. Now I'm going to just click to the start journey. I don't know why he has added a 3 point over here. Gradient app name, feature pill, CTA button. There is also a logo. Okay, so this is the logo, and the ambient ORB lightning. Okay, now this is the screen that has been designed by an AI. Now I'm going to just tell the Claude to give me the Flutter code for this, so that I can just simply paste the code and can create a first screen. Okay, now give me the Flutter code for this. So this is the another prompt that I am passing. Okay, so here you can see that it has simply been started to write a code in Flutter. So here I got a complete Dart code. As you can see, it's just loading, so I'm going to wait. Yeah, so here you can see that this is the complete Dart code that has been given by an Claude, and let's see. So I'm directly going to copy this, and we are going to paste this in our main.dart file, something like this. Okay, now this is the thing, and I'm going to just hot restart the app. Okay, so this is the perfect design that I can see starting your journey. Okay, and this is the onboarding screen that has been created with a glass morphism design, and I think so it's look really great. And he has just also passed like your personal AI training partner. Train smarter, recover better, and push further. As I've told you that pass some engaging text, so this is what that they have done. AI crafted workout that evolves with you, adaptive, personalized, and smart. Start your journey. Okay, so this is the perfect design that has been made by a Claude. I will just give a thumbs up for this, that this is the perfect color that they also used in the background as well. Okay, that's really great. Now let's move and let's tell the Claude to create the another screen. Now in this screen I'm going to just tell the Claude where the user will select a goal, like they are looking for a weight loss, muscle gain, or a home workout. Experience will be like beginner, intermediate, or advanced, and a workout days like 3, 5, 7. Okay, so this is what that I need to pass, and then a generate workout button. Okay, and once we do this, I first tell that to create this input screen, then the result page. Okay, so next I am going to create the input page where the user will just fill their goal, as in weight, muscle gain, muscle gain, home workout, and okay, workout. If you just pass a wrong spelling also, then don't need to worry, the AI will just understand that this is a workout. So now I just need to pass, and the experience will be beginner, intermediate, and the advanced. Also the workout days, 3, 5 or 7, yeah. And the generate workout button, so I need a good UI design to be created, and give me the Flutter code for that. Okay, so this is the another prompt that I am going to pass, and we'll just wait to get a design from a Claude. Okay, so here you can see that it has just told me that first let me design the UI mockup, then generate the Flutter code. Okay, so it's just trying to first design the UI mockup, as you can see over here. So one by one he's trying to just design this, like fitness goal, what are you training for? Okay, muscle gain, okay, home workout. This is not at the center, I don't know why they have just pushed to the left side. Experience level, how long you have been training, beginner, intermediate and advanced. Now you can see that the design that has been created by an AI, it's like really great, because it has also used some awesome icons over here. Now if you just tell the this design to be created in a GPT AI, you will see that the chat GPT will create a simple UI. They will just not try to use this much icons, otherwise they will tell that use the image from your wish. But the Claude is working really best in the design. So Claude design is really great for this. And you can see the workout days, how many days per week, 5, 7 days. Okay, weekly preview also has been given, like train, active, rest or rest. Okay, so I can just select the day on which I have trained, and I have just selected for an rest, or active rest or a rest. Okay, now your plan summary, weight loss, intermediate 5 days, and a generate workout button. Now you can see that something has been missed, like it is not at the center. But let's see, it is now simply giving me the Flutter code, and let's see if these errors are will be there in the Flutter code as well. Okay, so here you can see that this is the code that has been given by an Claude. Here is the complete Flutter file, and here what's packed inside. UI section, there is a progress bar, 4 stepper. Okay, goal, level, days and generate with a live gradient fill and a label dot. Wow. Fitness goal, horizontal card with an emoji icons. Selected state uses a blue teal gradient fill plus a gradient check badge. Okay, experience level, same card pattern with a dot level. Okay, workout days, weekly review, plan summary, generate button, interaction, all sections are fully via set state. Tap any card and the whole UI update instantly. He has just told that he have used a set state inside this Flutter code, and if you just use a set state, this code will just refresh instantly, just to show what things that have been used. To integrate with a welcome screen, we can just use this. Okay, so this is the code that has been written by a Claude. Now I'm going to just copy this, and let's see what result we get. Okay, so let's copy this, and I'm going to move to the lib folder, and we'll create a new file name like input page dot dart. Okay, now I'm going to paste this code something over here. We'll just save the file, and let's directly call the input page. Though I'm very excited to see like what really they have just created. So they also told me that pass a navigator dot push in the welcome screen, so that we can just push the user to the input page. Okay, so what I need to do is that here in the button, let me see where he have just passed the button. Okay, over here I just need to do one thing. basically I'll just remove this scaffold messenger, and we are going to pass this, and let's directly call this page. Okay, now I'll click to this and we'll just land to this page. Okay, wow, so this is what that has been created by a Claude. Build your plan, tell us about yourself, goal, level, days, and generate. All the thing has been fixed. I have thought that in the UI there is some mismatch. You can see that the text is not at the center, it is just out of this box. It doesn't look good, so it has been fixed over here. All the things have been at the center once the Claude has give us the code. Okay, now they have just tell that fitness goal, what are you training for, weight loss, muscle gain, or a home workout. So I'm going to just select a muscle gain, and experience level, how long you have been training, a beginner, intermediate, or an advanced, or let's use a beginner. Workout days, how many days per week, 3 to 5 days casual, 5 days week balance. It has also wrote popular. Okay, days week intense, and then it also passed like weekly review, like which all day you need to train, which all you can day you can take an active rest, and you can just take a rest according to the experience level you have and the workout days. I think so it's also really great that Claude AI is telling us that a complete weekly schedule for us. Okay, your plan summary, muscle gain, beginner, and the 5 days. Now we'll click to this generate workout button, and the AI will just create a complete workout for us. Okay, now I'll just tell the Claude that this is very better. Now just create the screen where the user can see the complete workout plan by using a Claude AI. Now here comes a big thing, as I've told you that you need to pass a perfect prompt to get a perfect result from an AI. If you just tell that create a AI workout generator app, then the AI won't get a perfect result according to the thoughts you have in your mind. So you just need to write a complete thought that you have and what app you are looking for, so that the AI can help you accordingly, right? Now here what I need to do is that first write a message or write a prompt. So I'll just tell that it's look really great. Now here comes a page where the user will see the complete workout plan. Now just create the where we are going to use a Claude AI to just give a user a workout plan. Okay, now this is the prompt that I have passed. Now I need a perfect design and execution from an AI. Okay, this is the prompt that I have passed. Let's see. I think so first it's going to create a design. You can see that this is the design that has been created by Claude. You can see that this is the design mock-up, your AI workout plan, and this complete thing will be given by Claude AI. Like we are going to use a Claude or Anthropic API, and then we are going to just show the complete workout plan. So they have just created a 5-day weight loss program. You can see this is just a design. Once we call a API, then we are going to show all the data, right? Now this is what that the AI has done. Day 1, upper body power, okay, chest, shoulder, and triceps, push-ups. Okay, they have just passed the rest, like up to 60-second rest will be in between. So there will be like 4 sets, and dumbbell shoulder press, tricep dips, lower body strength, hit cardio and core, pull day, active recovery and mobility, weekly nutrition snapshot, protein 1.8 per kilogram, okay, pre-workout carbs plus coffee, post-workout protein plus rice, hydration 3 liter per day. Okay, now these are all the things that have been shown, and it also told me that use a dependency like HTTP package. So let's copy this and let's directly paste this first. Okay, now let me run this app first, and we'll just move to the perspec.ml file, and under the dependency I just need to paste this package. Okay, now once we paste this package, it has told me that use a Anthropic API key that simply starts with like skant, and then I need to just do some changes in the input page as well. But before that, let's copy this code and let's create the another file which is like an workout result page. Okay, So I need to just move to the leap folder, create a new file name like workout result page dot. Okay, so I'll just need to write workout result page dot. So in the workout result page, I'm going to directly paste this code that have been given by an AI. Okay, now make sure that you just use a Anthropic API key. It has used a model like Claude Sonnet and this version. Now I'm also going to explain you the code that has been written by an AI, so that you can also know that what all code has been written by an AI. Because if you want to do some of the changes according to your wish, it's not like already a copy paste work that going to work over here. We just need to also know that what code has been written by an AI, just to know that if we want to do any changes in the app, we can just tell the AI. If we don't have any idea, then how we can do that? Okay, so first thing that I'm going to tell you that this is a generate workout function that has been called by an Claude. Okay, now they have just used this Anthropic HTTP link, as you can see, and it has used like X API key, then the Anthropic version, content type, accept. Okay, then a request body, as you can see over here. Now the main thing is that what prompt they have passed. You can see that this is the prompt that you can see over here. But before explaining the prompt to you, let me first run the app and let's see what result we get. Then I'm going to explain you how the prompt plays a big role when you need to get a result from an AI. As I've explained about the prompt in the starting of the video as well, but I am going to show you that how we can just pass the prompt in the API to get the data from an AI. Okay, so I'll just move to the input page dot because the Claude has told me that just use this navigator dot push function. So let's copy this, and here we'll just move down. Okay, so here we have just found a generate workout button, and once we move to the generate workout button, here in the on tap method, I'm going to just pass that. Okay, so what it is generating right now? Oh, it is just passing the simple text. Okay, so I'm going to just remove this because we don't need this. We'll just move back over here and let's pass a navigator dot push function, something like this. I think so it's okay. Yeah, let's pass this. Let's call our workout result page, something like this. I think so it's much better. Now make sure that you pass an Anthropic API key. Without this, nothing going to work. So please pass the Anthropic API key, then you can test the app. Okay, now as I've just added the HTTP package, so the hot restart will not work over here. I just need to close the app and reload the app again. So let me do that and we'll get back in few. So I've launched the app successfully. Now I'll click to this start your journey button, and I'm going to just pass like muscle gain. I need an intermediate level. Give me the 3 days workout or casual. Okay, and this is the thing. Now I'm going to click the generate workout button and let's see what result we get. Okay, so connecting to the okay, so Claude AI is writing a plan. You can see that the Claude AI is writing a plan. Wow, that's really great that I can see that the Claude is writing a complete plan over here. Okay, wow, that's great. Wow, so once it has wrote a complete thing, the UI has changed automatically. That's a brilliant thing that I've seen by the AI that has done over here. I thought that it might be shown in the plain text, but you can see that once it has wrote a complete thing, the UI has been shifted to something like this so that the user can know that what code has been written by Claude. This is a big thumbs up for a Claude AI. I have never seen. I've used many AI as well, like a Google AI Studio, Chat GPT, but the thing that the Claude has done, it's like a thumbs up for him, right? Now here you can see this. Now this is the complete workout plan has been shared by an AI. 3-week muscle gain program that I've asked for, 3 training days. Okay, and we need to work out up to 45 to 60 minutes. It is for the intermediate level as I've asked for. Now the thing is that push power, chest, shoulder, triceps, high 60 minutes. Okay, now the drop down is something like this. They have also added a drop down. The barbell bench press, overhead press, inclined dumbbell press, lateral rises. Okay, pull power, there is a pull power deadlift, pull-ups, barbell rows, face pulls, legs and core, okay, back squats, Romanian and walking lunges, calf rises. Wow, so that's a big thing. I'm going to click to the start day one. Let's go starting day one. Okay, so this is the thing that has been created by an Claude AI, and that's a brilliant thing that has been created by an AI. Now, one thing is that this is all the thing has been done by an AI. Now you need to also know that what prompt that has been passed by an AI to get this perfect result. Okay, now if you don't know about a prompt and if you want to make any changes on this app, you can't do that. First, move to the workout result page, and in the workout result page I'll just scroll down, and here you can see that this is a generate workout function that I've told you. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down and then I'm going to directly move to the prompt, and here you can see that this is the complete detail that has been written by a Claude to show the data on this page. Okay, so it has wrote that you are a fit forge AI, an expert personal trainer and a sports scientist. You create a precise science backed highly structured workout plan. Okay, always respond in the exact structured format requested, be motivating, specific and professional, include sets, repetition, rest period, form cues for every exercise. So that's why you can see that it has passed a repetition, sets and the rest period and all, as you can see. Okay, now this is the build prompt, like create a complete day per workout plan according to the goal, experience level and days per week. This is what that you can see, a complete prompt that has been written by a Claude, and this is the API call that has been done by using a JSON decode, and it has been simply being changed to a map. As you know that Flutter doesn't read a JSON code directly, we need to convert the JSON code to map so that the Flutter can read the map. Now these are all the things might be confusing for you if you don't have a really knowledge about a Flutter. Now you will say that Shivam, all the things usually done by an AI, so why we need to learn a Flutter, or why we need to learn all the code? Not all the code, we need to get some knowledge about the code that has been written over here. Everything doesn't work by a copy paste thing, because as you know that it told me that add this line in the generate method, okay, and replace with a snack bar. Now if you don't know that what really the snack bar is, what really on generate is, it is a function name that has been written. What this navigator push function does over here, you can't copy this code and paste that in the exact location that the Claude is telling you. So just to know all the things regarding a Flutter, or the basic things regarding a Flutter and how to integrate a AI, that's why I brought that course for you, and that course will help you to be a pro in Flutter. Okay, so you need to keep a knowledge about a Flutter as well, because a small changes can cost you very high. You will just waste a lots of time. You can just follow that course. You can find the link in the description box. I think so you like this app that has been created by a Claude. I've used many other AIs to create the app. You can see on my channel like ChatGPT, Google AI Studio, Gemini, but I didn't found the work that done by Claude is really exceptional. Okay, so if you like my idea of this video, do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Until then, keep coding, keep having fun. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.